Namaskar. Now I will tell you another important concept which is looks similar and simpler but has some minor tricks. Using these kind of equal to continuously, we call it a chained assignment or assignment chain. Sometimes informally people call it multiple assignment also, but better we call it chained assignment. This kind of assignment happens from right to left, which means 10 first is assigned to Z, Z is then assigned to Y, and Y is then assigned to X, right? In this case also, this X is assigned to B and B is assigned to A. So, let us see this. For timing, this section I'll just comment. Only we'll get these result. So, this is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Because everything becomes 10 because this value is common for all these memory places. Actually, memory place is containing this value and all these names refer to same value. So, I would write as X, I would write in this order: Z, Y, X, B and A refer to value 10 stored in memory, right? So this is actually the same value which is coming and it has got these 5 names, right? So it is names of this value only, and this we actually produce by making this kind of chained assignment, right? What happens if we give a different value to X? Say this is X is now 20, but suppose I print Y, Z and A, B also. Let us see what happens. Interesting. That means X has changed, but Y, Z, A and B has not changed. So this value assignment is not permanently tied. That means there was a value 10 somewhere which was named Z, Y, X, B, A, all this, and out of this I create another memory location where I stored 10 and I stored X into this. Then what will happen? That now X is pointing to value 20. X is no more pointing to value 10, right? So this concept is little different from other programming languages. Other programming languages have a permanent label for every value. Here it is different, that we have just this label now has happened to is tied to 20 now, and it is no more label of value 10. So if we print and other labels which were put up on value 10 remain the same. Okay. So imagine there was a box where the container has a value 10, suppose 10 items were kept there and there were these kind of labels Z, Y, X, B, A on that. Now, and there is another container where we have put 20 items. Now we have removed this X label from first container and put that label on another container. That is how you should understand it. Okay. So this is an explanation of chained assignment. You can very well understand it using AI also. Gemini will clearly explain you that how this chained assignment works. Another chained assignment which is X to B and A, and we are printing X, Y, Z, and this X is a new value assignment prints the new value, which is 20, and when we are printing other things, we are that contain the old assignment itself. Okay, you can write your feedback in comments and ask me any question. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.